Have we had a couple of good days at the stock market? Oh, yes, we did. We had two good catalytic events that help with the stock market. One is the Fed that came out and said that they're gonna increase the rate by 0.25, what was expected, and they told us a plan for the future. So giving some clarity to the market. That's really good. Take the uncertainty out of the market. Whew, they like that a lot. And as well, the Chinese government came out and said they support the overseas stocks. So that helped out a lot with the Chinese stocks. So welcome back to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe and join the team. And if it's your first time watching this channel and you like the subject, please smash the like button and don't forget to share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Feds came out yesterday and they informed they're gonna increase the rate by 25 points. They see 6 more rate hikes for the next 6 minutes that they have this year. And what this brings? Bring clarity. You know, the uncertainty is out, so we already know what to expect. We just don't know if it's gonna be at 25 points, half points. At least we know they are raising the rates every meetings. Uncertainty is out. That's good. I want to show this chart here. Look here. This is the rate hike cycle in a long term. In these 5 cycles, 4 we got a really good outcome, and 1 we didn't have a good outcome. But 4 or 5, that's a good odds. What about in short term? In short term, it has some volatility. So be careful. Make sure whenever you buy stocks that you picking a good stock. Don't pick projects right now. Maybe you want to really, unless if you think about long term, some of these stocks that have been devastated, they're good for long term, but not for short term. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So before buy or sell any stocks, don't buy or sell because I'm telling you. Buy because you follow up with a financial advisor, or you study the stock and you decide on your own. Just a little disclaimer. So the next few days, we should see some effects of the Fed meeting and how that's going to affect the market. We still have some other stuff that can disturb the market, like the new virus that's coming out in China and Europe, the student loans, if we're going to have that back working or not. There's some talk about that they're still going to hold the student loans. So we'll see in the next few weeks what's happening. Okay. So now let's talk about China. China shares soar after Beijing signal support. Like Alibaba went up 37%. I heard that Kevin Allure just bought Alibaba like 3 days ago. What a lucky guy. Or does he have some inside information? I don't know. But he did great. And congrats to you, Kevin. It's amazing that you got like really on the bottom, and God, imagine how much he invests. Like we invest like $500 to $1,000 and got 37%. We got like $370, but he probably put like a few $1,000,000. Let's Google here. Let's see how much he invests. Okay, doesn't show here how much he invests, but man, he made a lot of money. He made a lot of money. Wow. So how does support work? It's basically China came out and said they will not delist. So the reason is like my NEO that I own quite a bit been dropping like a rock because there was a fear that they would delist that from the New York exchange. And now that they say that they support the overseas, this means that they will not delist it. So now the stock can start growing again. It's not people like just like, oh no, I'm gonna sell before the delist happens. So, but now there's not. So the people that sold like a week ago, it sucks, right? Although you can buy it back in. You're always welcome. But, without the delisting, there's no much fear in the market. But then we got the curveball. Yeah. But before talking about the curveball, let's just show this chart with Chinese stock and how much they grew in the last couple of days. Look at this. Alibaba, yesterday, it went up 36.76%. JD, 39.36%. NetEase, 25.69%. Bidu, 39.2%. Pinduoduo, I don't know how to say that. PDD, 56%. That's crazy. Neo, my Neo, I love Neo, 25.59%. And the Yum China went up only 9.48%, but that's great. Some stocks don't grow 9.4% in a year, so that's great. But then we have the new Omicron coming out. So, surge of the new Omicron infection prompts lockdowns in China. And we'll see how that affected. Now, this morning I was looking, and looks like Europe had an outbreak as well. And how long it's going to take until we see some outbreak in the US? And that is the curveball that we don't need it. You know, we just got some breeding out of the stock market. You know, we just put our head out of the water, and then we come with the Omicron. So let's see how the stock market react today. Yesterday when I was looking at night, the futures were green. This morning they are red. As I can see here, for example, new stock yesterday on the pre-market was, or the future was about like 2% up again, but now I can see here is 3% down. Alibaba as well, that did a good gain. It was green as well, and now it's 3.8% down on the pre-market. But let's see how that's gonna unravel during the day. So all we can do is just hope for the best, and hopefully this Omicron is not gonna screw the whole thing up again, because I have some options that I need to get some money out of there. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you have a great day. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe, join the team. And if you like the video, smash the thumbs up, and don't hesitate to share with friends and family. And if you don't mind, put a little comment down, would appreciate that too. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day here in Denver. Again, it's snowing, but guess it's Denver weather, right? You guys have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
But I just want to celebrate.